Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me for Halloween. I am turning myself into a punk cat, as you guys already know from the title. But I already did my foundation. I didn't think you guys needed to see that because it's the same routine as I always do. I used my Fenty primer and my Fenty foundation and then my Tarte concealer. I couldn't think about what it was called. But I'm going to do everything else with you guys. So my contour, and then my eyeshadow and the nose and everything with you guys because I thought that would be fun. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. For concealer, for my contour, I am going to be using my Kat Von D Shade and Light, I think is what it's called. Yeah, Shade and Light. So I'm going to go ahead with the darkest color and apply that as I always do. So I'm going to use this one, and it's in the shade Bronze Glow number 1. That's what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can tell. yeah, so I did my hair. I put in the cat ears first, and then I bobby put them in so they won't fall over. And then I did my hair around the headband itself, so hopefully it stays in place. So to finish up this look, I'm going to go ahead and apply some black lipstick. Thanks Brie for leaving this here, otherwise I wouldn't have any lipstick to put on. I wanted to put some cat whiskers and stuff on my face, but I don't know, I think I'm gonna just do this, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!